All right, today we're gonna set up our desk, and if you guys can notice, they give you the actual Phillips, an Allen wrench, and then everything's labeled. So just make sure that when you get your stuff, align it up and set it up. And the instructions are very thorough, so they're easy to set up. The box itself is a little heavy. It took me by myself, but it's a little heavy. You're gonna need maybe 2 people to bring it in. But other than that, 1 person can set this up. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, one tip. I will put the strip down before you actually mount it, and so far it's coming along. I'm almost completed with the L shape. You could do an option and put it straight away instead of the L, but I choose the L. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it up and let you see it. So right now, just make sure you put the LED lights first and then time down, and then you set up the metal part on top of it. All right, let's take a look at the actual desk now that's completed. Now, the top of it is carbon fiber, right? It's not real carbon fiber. It's just a tape on wood carbon fiber, but it's durable. It's perfect if you're going to be writing something or working on your computer. It's scratch proof, if you guys can see that. So I like that part. Really simple. I love that part. Now, my favorite thing is that you have a power adapter, surge protector on the top, so you can plug in pretty much all your LED lights and anything else. And also the USBs that are underneath the actual desk, if you guys can see underneath the desk. All right, the LED lights underneath, they do plug in through the actual system there. There's 2 USB connections that you have to have in there. And that's gonna power up the actual computer lights, the LED lights. All right, check out the actual desk at night, guys. This is fantastic. Look how beautiful the lights are. And it comes with the remote control for the LED lights for the bottom part of it, right? But I set up my own LED lights with it too, so you guys can see. I took out one of the bars in the actual desk so I could set up my desktop, and I have an omen here. I have a huge 32-inch monitor. I have my laptop right next to it that I use to edit. I have my headsets on my mannequin here, a couple of toys here, and underneath too I put a couple of collections that I have in here. So beautiful lighting effect. I could change the light tones if I want with the remote. Underneath of it, I could just change to different tones, slow it down. My monitor, I did added some new LED lights right behind them, and then my corner bar too. So if you're gonna be streaming or playing games, this is perfect for those that want to do that. All right, so this desk is, you can modify the desk. If you guys can see, I did remove one of the racks here. In fact, this is the rack that I removed, so I could fit in my desktop in here. And this is my omen that goes in here, with my water cooling system on my memory. Everything's lighting up, beautiful at night. And then you go add your own LED lights included with it. So plenty of room. I do have my laptop on one area, and I work on this side. You have your remote control. You can leave it here on the top. You can put my collection. I still have a couple collection toys in the bottom. I'm gonna do a little cable management and pretty much be streaming from here or playing from here. This is a perfect environment. I do have my fishes right next to me. I get to feed them. I get to see them. I enjoy the actual day with them. So this is the working area that I'm gonna have an editor sit here, and we're also gonna stream from here. So